Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by selecting dry bread. Day-old works best because moisture ruins crisp crumbs. Once chosen, tear the loaf into 1 to 2 inch pieces so you create even milling. Make sure to remove very thick crusts if you want a finer, uniform result, otherwise leave them for coarser crumbs. Now, preheat a sheet or line a tray. You will toast later. Move quickly. This first step sets your crumb texture, so plan for an immediate transition to processing. You put the torn pieces into a food processor and pulse in short bursts to control coarseness. Press less for chunkier crumbs and longer for fine crumbs. Once milled to the desired size, spread in a single layer on a tray and bake at 300 degrees F for 10 to 15 minutes to dry and toast without browning too fast. After baking, let the crumbs cool completely so residual steam doesn't rehydrate them. Then give the tray a gentle shake to break any clumps. You finish by sifting the cooled crumbs to sort size, return oversized pieces to the processor and reprocess briefly. Pack the final crumbs into an airtight container, store at room temperature up to 2 weeks or freeze for months, label with date. If you find crumbs are soggy, rebake at 275 degrees F for small intervals until crisp, and make sure to cool fully before sealing. One tip, if clumping recurs, add a small pinch of salt or use a paper towel layer to absorb moisture before sealing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.